Alright, let's see how this goes. Gonna go out here, try not to fall. Record the girls when they come out of the run. Well, they line up right when the back door opens, because they know that I'm going to let them out when I walk back here. So, just going to video this morning, because they're funny. Funny, funny, funny. Oh. Who wants to get out of the run? Who wants to play in the yard? Huh? Who wants out? Do we want out? Do we have any chickens that want to be let out? Do we? Do we have any that want to come out and run in the yard and play? Okay. Here we go. That's cute. Alright. Alright, here it goes. Go ahead, girls. Go ahead. Hey, Jack. There they are. There they go. Alright, they're getting some water. They love to drink that water in the bowl. Oops, here comes one running. Oh, they're playing. They get so excited. There's Jack and Lester playing. They're funny. They like to scratch around in the raised garden first thing, because they're thinking, well, maybe there's some worms or something yummy in there. Hey, Lester, how you doing, buddy? Give me a nice crow. That's a crow for us. Hey, kids. And then this is the Cuckoo Moran. She's huge. We could have her for Thanksgiving. Nah, just kidding. But look how big she is. It's crazy. Yeah, this is one of the Norma Jeans. We had 6, now we have 5. Oh. Hey, Jack, what you got there, buddy? Huh? Hey, Jill. They really like those little shiny dangly things on my shoes. Hey, Lester. Come here, buddy. Let's show everybody how handsome you are. Let's show everybody how handsome you are. Yeah. Yes, you are. Give me a crow. His ears are so pretty and white. There's a Norma Jean. There she is. She will peck this camera. And let's see, this is Ethel. Hey, Ethel. Yeah, this is Jill. Hey, Jill, come here. Come here. And there's Star. This is Fred. I'm not sure if it's a rooster. We don't know. There's still some that we're not positive about. Only one we know for sure is a rooster is Lester. Hey, Jack, what you eating? Jack, what you eating? And there's Lucy. Nope, actually that was Ethel. Lucy's right there. Alright, this is their place they love to be during the day. They love it. Got to get those nesting boxes open before they start laying eggs in here. Because it would be a great place to lay eggs. It's got all these low branches. They roost on when they want to. Of course, nice, comfortable, soft bedding for laying. And there's Lester, you handsome devil. But we'll go around to the other side. But we'll let the branches stay close to the ground on this side so they can kind of hide in there. But if you go around this tree, it's open. Boy, I would have loved to have had a place like this build a fort whenever I was a kid. This would have been great. But so it's open over here. Hey, Norma Jean. Hey. Cool tree. Okay. Gonna go back around here. This is the the coop. Working on finishing up the nesting boxes. Just have to put the linoleum down and the hay, and then open up the nesting box from the inside so they can get in. Try to do this without falling. Double lock. Just in case a raccoon figures out how to open the door. Okay, probably this isn't the best time to video this because we got chicken poop all over the poop board. Just a quick peek. But we do have sand, and that works out great because we can sift the sand just like you would a litter box. It works out really well. Well, we'll see more of this later when we clean it up and open up the hatching box. But Phil designed this and built this all himself. I think he did a great job. We've got the little door opening into the underneath the coop. Easy access to the feeder. And the feeder's hanging. We've got sand underneath the coop also. And then we've got this hanging waterer, and it's got the little nipples underneath. Got to move it because it's now more difficult for them to get underneath it to drink it since they've gotten so big. So we're going to relocate that to probably right here in the run, and then enclose it so the sun doesn't shine on it. But this is the back side of the run. So let's go around. Oh yeah, I made this to scoop up the chicken poo. It's kind of like a kitty litter scooper. I made it by putting some hardware wire on this little pitchfork thing. It works really well. And then of course this is what we use to scrape the chicken poop off of the poop board. Put it in our little bucket right here, and then dump it right over there in the compost pile. Okay, battery's running out, so I gotta hurry up. But this is the opening into the run. This is where we open and close the door for the chickens. We just kind of drop it like that, open it, and then hook it here so it doesn't fall down. And this is a new thing. Hopefully it'll work. Keep the white chickens, which is the ones we seem to have trouble with flying really high, from flying over this fence. You can't see it very well, but there's netting. Let me see if I can do it from this angle. It's pretty high because we've had one fly over this fence, and it was the dogs killed her. It was sad. So we're going to try our best to keep that from happening again. And then this is a trunk that I ordered to store stuff in. It's probably messy. Yep, it is. But it's like the scratch and, you know, just different things. It's nice to have out here. Okay, that's all for now. Show more later. Bye.